Hey my cuties, so I just want to thank y'all for coming to my channel and watching this video. And I know the background is different. That's because I'm filming in my car just because I'm about to head into work. But before I go, I got my package this morning for a new nail drill, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that before I started using it today. So this is the nail drill that I got. It's the portable rechargeable one. I needed a new one for work because the one I have, it makes a lot of noise, and this one is really silent and everything. So this is going to be like a vlog style type of unboxing in a sense. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the inside. So this is the inside of the box, and it comes with, they just sent me like some little mini makeup brushes or something. But I'm going to use this one here in the middle to brush the dust off of my fingers. It comes with the sanding bands, more sanding bands, and the other little drill bits that it comes with, the weak ones that you don't never really use. Power cord to charge up the drill, and this is the docking little thing to rest the handpiece on. This is the actual drill. I got the gold one, so set that over there for now. Excuse my car. This goes, a couple of my coworkers, this goes on the side of the drill to stick the handpiece in as well, to keep them together. And then this is the, let me move this. This is, if I can get this shit out. Oh, there it go. Oh, this is the handpiece. No wonder why I couldn't move it. I didn't see this part in the box. That's the handpiece in there, and this is the instructions. So now I'm just gonna go back and try to open everything up so you guys can see how all of that stuff looks. And I don't know, let me know in the comments if I'm the only person when I open stuff. I like for it to go back in neatly, like when it's new. Ooh, sorry about that. When it's new, I like for everything to be put back in the box in a neat manner, per se. This didn't go in like that, but it fits. Oh no, it's not gonna fit. You need to go like this, because this has to go right here like this, or something like that shit. I don't know, because when you get new stuff, you just want it to stay new for as long as you could. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to the other view and open everything up. Okay, my cutie, so I switched back to this view. Let me make sure you guys can see me a little better. Ooh, that's crooked. I hope okay. I switched back to this view. It is raining outside, so I apologize if you hear that. But just so you guys can see me and I can hold this stuff up easily. So this is the gold. They put this on slanted too. I got the gold drill. They had silver, red, purple, pink, white, and black, I think. My coworker, one has black and one has pink, and I'm not too big on pink like that anyway. It just really looks good on my skin complexion at times. I love gold, so I just figured I'd be different and get the gold one. And this is actually very light. This is the clipping on your hip, like when you're doing pedicures or something like that, and you needed to do the acrylic on someone's big toe. This is actually kind of crooked on my thing, but it's not that big of a deal if I'm being really nitpicky. And right here on this side is where this clear piece right here goes, and you attach it. This is the change the direction that the handpiece is spinning. This is the light to let you know it's charging. This is the power. This is the where you put the power cord in to charge, and this is how you turn the speed up and down. On this side is just more information about the voltage. And it says it says input. The other side says output. So I think the output part is to add a foot pedal, and this part is probably to charge it. But I'm going to read the instructions just to verify. But as of right now, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, and I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna open the, ooh, can I put this on? Okay, how did this go? Okay. I think these two slots are for the handpiece, so I'm just gonna go in here, or put this one down, put the thing down first and see if I can put this on. Okay, yeah, so this is how it should look. And so when it's sitting down flat, the handpiece will rest on the inside right here. So that's how that goes. This is the handpiece. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned, but this drill was $50 on Amazon. And it was actually supposed to arrive today. So I wasn't really going to be able to use it at work until tomorrow. But I was determined to get it today since it arrived yesterday. How the fuck do you open this box? I don't feel like fighting with this box on camera. I'm going to open this and then come back. Okay, so this is my handpiece, and so this part is gold because it matches my gold drill to let you know where it goes. And so this is kind of like silicone or rubbery. It's comfortable, and this part is also as well. This is the only part that feels like metal, so it's supposed to feel really comfortable in the hand. However you hold your drill. This is just a little piece that they stick inside as a placeholder. But from using my coworker's drill, you just turn. So the drill is like this. Oh, here's the controls to remove it and secure it. So which way am I turning? I'm turning right to remove this. You see, so that's how it looks at the top. And I'm gonna put this back in. You put it in as far as you need it to go, and then you'll turn it left to secure it. And see, look, now it's not coming out. It's in there. It's secure. So actually, the other piece, I lied, it was not for a foot pedal. One part, oh, excuse me, I cut my hand yesterday. Well, I stabbed myself in the hand with a comb yesterday, and so sometimes the band-aid adhesion doesn't always come all the way off, so I'm picking it off. But yeah, I lied, that's not a foot port. One part is for this to go in, and the other part is for the charger to go in, just to charge it. So yeah, you guys, that's just an unboxing of my, this is my Miss Sweet portable charging grinding machine, US-801, and it says built-in overcurrent protection. The standby time is long, it's easy to carry, and I think they mean high speed, but they put high speed. But I don't mind that stuff just because of the language barrier. So this is the drill. And that's all, my cuties. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.